Hi everybody, I'm Barry from Master of Trend. Today I would like to discuss MACD. First of all, let's introduce MACD. MACD is created by Gerald Appiah in 1970. It's about 15 years. Is it accurate to determine the bull market and bear market today? Actually, if you want to know more about MACD indicator, please refer to Wikipedia. And now I would like to just show you the backtest results for MACD. So I would like to take 30 years data, 1990 to 2020. So I like to test the Hang Seng Index. Yeah, Hang Seng Index. And the parameter is 12, 26, and 9. So let's test it. After testing, we have the result here, and then oh my god, it's losing money. You see, the winning ratio is about 36. So this lose trades more than the winning trade. So the equity chart is here, equity curve is here. We can see that obviously this indicator is work before 2000 years, but after 2000 years it's depreciate. We keep on losing money, but rebound here, but just a short period of time, and immediately they drop here. And also we can see that after 30 years I'm losing money. So the conclusion is this indicator is effective before 2000 years, but it's not so effective or after 2000 years. So how about apply into stock market? Research Hang Seng large cap stock market here, and then test it. So is it apply? Can it apply to Hong Kong stock market? No, sorry. If we invest if we invest 100,000 here, after 30 years, you will be 1,000 left. So 98% loss from this strategy. So the equity curve is like this. It's not effective. So the basic strategy of MACD is like this. We can't use the basic strategy anymore in Hong Kong market. That's the result. But we can still test about the parameters. If we change the parameter, it maybe works, but I don't test it here because of time. So let's share later. Thank you very much.
大家記住俾翻個 like 啦，同埋 subscribe 我個 channel 嘅，亦都可以撳埋個鈴鈴啦，同埋 share 埋俾啲朋友嘅。